Week 1 was a gut punch. A reality check. I started this AI YouTube experiment with high hopes. I thought the tech was a magic button. I published 7 videos, 1 a day, like the plan said. I let the AI do everything. Brainstorm the topics, write the scripts, pick the titles, suggest the thumbnails. It felt efficient. It felt modern. But the results were brutal. The grand total for the week, a measly 200 views. Not 200 per video, 200 across all 7. It was a ghost town. The algorithm looked at my content and said, nope. The problem wasn't traditional quality. The videos were clean, the audio was clear, the editing was fine. But they had no soul. They had no hook. Titles were generic. The benefits of mindfulness. An introduction to AI art. They were exactly what a machine would make. Safe, logical, completely boring. Nobody wakes up wanting to click an introduction to AI art. They want a story. They want a problem solved. They want a promise. My AI-driven content promised nothing. It just existed. I felt lost. It's a feeling many creators know. You pour in the time, follow the rules, and get nothing back. It feels like shouting into a void. I started to question the whole idea. Maybe this AI thing was a gimmick. Maybe I was just bad at this. The temptation to quit was real. It's easy to be passionate when things work. It's harder when the data stares you down. You wasted a week. That was the moment, the low point. But then, something clicked. I realized I was using the tool wrong. I was asking the AI to be the creative genius. That was my mistake. The AI isn't the artist. It's the analyst. A ridiculously powerful calculator that can process more data than I could. On day 8, I made a change. A simple, fundamental shift. I stopped asking the AI what I should make. Instead, I used it to find what was already working for others. That tiny change made all the difference. The big shift was a mental one. It was about humility. It was about admitting that I didn't know what the audience wanted, and my AI assistant didn't either. But the YouTube platform itself? It knows. The data is all there, hiding in plain sight. Every successful video on the platform is a signal. It's a breadcrumb. It's a clue left by millions of viewers who voted with their clicks and their watch time. My job wasn't to invent a new path. My job was to find the path that was already paved and heavily trafficked, and then walk down it. So, I stopped asking the AI for creative brainstorming. No more, give me 10 video ideas about productivity. That approach leads to generic, recycled content that nobody is searching for. Instead, I gave the AI a new job, become a spy, a data detective. I tasked it with analyzing my niche, finding the top-performing channels, identifying their outlier videos. An outlier is a video that massively overperforms a channel's average view count. If a channel normally gets 10,000 views per video, and one video has 500,000 views, that's the one you study. That's the signal. This is the core of reverse engineering. You don't copy the content. You copy the framework. You don't steal their script. You steal their title structure. You steal their thumbnail psychology. You steal their pacing. The idea is to understand the why behind the win. Why did people click on that video? What promise did the title make? What emotion did the thumbnail evoke? These are questions that data can help answer. The AI became my tool for pattern recognition on a massive scale. It's a simple concept, but it goes against the ego of a creator. We all want to believe our ideas are unique and brilliant. We want to be original. But when you're starting from zero, originality is a luxury you can't afford. The market doesn't care about your original idea if it doesn't solve a problem or create curiosity. The shift was from, what do I want to make, to, what has this audience proven they want to watch? I kept the AI to help with the execution, but the strategy was now driven by real-world data, not abstract brainstorming. The new process was methodical. It was a system. Step 1 was all about finding those golden outlier videos. I didn't just look at the biggest channels. I looked at channels of all sizes in my niche. AI tools, productivity, online business. I wanted to see what worked for small channels trying to grow, not just established giants who could get views on anything. I would go to a channel's videos tab and sort by most popular. This is the simplest form of market research there is, and almost nobody does it consistently. I created a simple spreadsheet. Column 1, channel name. Column 2, average view count over last 10 videos. That gave me a baseline. Column 3, top 5 most viewed videos of all time. Column 4, the outlier score. I divided the outlier video's views by the channel's average views. 10x or higher, Jacker certified winner. That was a signal worth digging into. The AI helped accelerate this process. Feed it a list of channels and ask it to scrape top videos and views. This saved me hours of manual clicking and copying. It turned tedious research into a quick data pull. Within an hour, I had 50 high-performing videos from about 15 different channels. These weren't just popular videos. They were videos that had broken through the noise for their specific creator. This list became my Bible. It was my blueprint for what the market actually wanted. I wasn't guessing anymore.